So, everyone loves plants for free. Today we're going to have a look at some lilies, okay? And we're going to do something called lily scaling. Now the idea with this is we're going to take a lily bulb and we're going to take off these outside scales and make them into a lot of plants, okay? I'm going to break this down into stages so that I can't mess it up and hopefully neither can you. So, the first thing to do is to snip the roots off the base, okay? Just like that. Now we're going to take off the damaged scales from around the outside of the bulb because they're not going to grow. You can tell these apart because they've got marks on them, maybe a little bit of mold, that kind of thing. Those ones we can just take off, nice and easy, and throw them away. Now we're at a stage where we've got good pink healthy scales, okay? Some of them might have a couple of blemishes on, but they'll work just fine, okay? These will start taking off right down at the base, thumb inside the scale, and then break so that we get some of the base plate at the bottom, okay? Remember, as you're doing this stage, not to go down past about 70% of the original bulb size, okay? We don't want to go too far, otherwise we won't get to keep the original plant. So now you should have a situation that looks like this. We've got perfect to use scales here, and we've got the original bulb, okay? The next stage is to get a clear plastic bag, like this, okay? We're going to fill it with compost to about a third full. Here's one I've made earlier. The idea is to just pop them in the top there and then give them a shake, okay? Make sure that they're covered over completely with the compost and don't knot the top, just fold it over, put it in a nice warm dark place in the house for about 4 weeks. Make sure the compost isn't wet, you want it to only be slightly moist. And finally, we can take the bulb that we've taken the scales off and plant this as normal. It'll still flower this year, there won't be any trouble there, so just follow the instructions on the packet. Right, so it's been a few weeks and the lily scales should have started to grow by now, so we can take them out of the bag and start having a look at what kind of progress they've made. So, what we're looking for with these scales, now that they've started to progress, is we're looking for the new bulbs that have formed near the top here, and as we go through we're looking for any signs of roots growing on the underneath. That's the main bit so that we can plant them on. The roots might not be as visible, but they will definitely be there. They will be growing because it all tends to start off at roughly the same time. If there are any in there that are looking a little bit mouldy, got a bit of grey mould on them or anything else, you want to separate those off quickly and throw them away. When they're all out, the next stage is planting. And what we're going to use is a cell tray filled with multi-purpose compost. We start by making a hole with a dibber, or a pencil if you haven't got a dibber to hand, and we go in just a few centimetres. The idea is we're just going to post the scale into the hole, roots first here, nice and gently, and then just press down over the top very lightly to make sure it's anchored. So when you're finished, it should look like this. And from here, what you do is you give them a light sprinkle with water just to settle everything in and make sure there's good soil contact with the roots. Then pop it somewhere warm like a greenhouse or a windowsill just to make sure that they're in the right temperature and they can grow on nice and quickly. So, as it's growing on, we've got 1 year's growth here where you've got one large leaf. Doesn't look much like a lily yet. And then you've got the 2nd year's growth where we're getting more of the overall growth structure and we've got leaves looking a lot more like a lily now. And you should be expecting flowers in the 3rd or 4th year. As we're not going to wait that long, here's a picture of a lily. Ta-da! If you have a go at this, let us know in the comments.